Hello everyone! Have you had a look in store at Spellbinders at their new craft kits they've got available? The first kit is the Bellevue Scrapbookers Kit. It contains a 12 by 12 printed paper pad, a packet of die-cut ephemera pieces, 2 sheets of our cardboard stickers, as well as a set of the chipboard alphabet stickers. Great things there to use in lots of ways. Next is the one I'm excited about. This is the Bellevue Card Makers Kit. The card kit includes 6x6 printed paper pad that has 20 different designs. There are 2 sheets of our chipboard stickers. We have a set of puffy stickers, and there's also a packet of die-cut postcards and journaling spots. Spellbinders has also created a layered peacock die set, which is stunning. And I'd also just like to point out on the website there are a number of additional items you can purchase to go along with either of the kits that you buy. Now I want to show you through the paper pad in real life so you can get a nice look at what the papers and the colours of the kit look like. So there we had a gorgeous floral. Up close you'll see that this is a painted stripe with a dotted pale pink line. We've got this large rose floral. Then we've got this dainty little lemony yellow pattern, followed by another stripe, and this one has that very thin gold foiling line included as well. Then we have this really gorgeous dusty pink coloured paper, and then to go with that we've got this gorgeous all over flourish of tone on tone paper. We've got this gorgeous little blue bow, and then we have another really busy but beautiful floral background paper there as well. Then we have this wood parquetry flooring, and I can see different ways of being able to use that design. We've got a tone on tone like a checkered diagonal pattern. Then this paper is stunning. I think it's just because of the peacock, and it also features that gold foiling in script on that page as well. Then this page also stunning. I love the peacocks. Gorgeous all over peacock pattern in that page. And that's followed up by this Wedgwood blue patterned paper with that tiny little delicate spot. We've then got a very pale green ledger paper, followed by this gorgeous typeface background paper, which is tone on tone as well. Then we get this beautiful whitewash or washed out looking emeraldy green coloured paper, followed by more of that Wedgwood blue in a damask pattern as well. That's really pretty. Then I'm just feeling the paper pad there. You can see I'm trying to work out whether I've got 2 pages stuck together, but I realise that I actually don't, because the paper in this pad is considerably thicker than the paper that we used to get in the pads or in the plastic pockets in the card making kits previously. So there's an upgrade in the type of paper that's used in this kit. And we're back to the beginning, so lovely papers in there. And you can see 6x6, and there's 40 sheets, 20 designs. This is the packet of die-cut ephemera. Now there are 2 options available in Spellbinders. I have got this option because I found that I would like more the florals and the decorative pieces rather than the journaling spots and tags to go with what I make. So you can see lots of gorgeous things there, and just show you some in detail here. That gorgeous little cart, we've got the teapot, we've got gorgeous dainty little fans, and yes, there are 2 of everything here. The little hearts that you can see at the top of the screen, there's actually 4, 5, 6 of each of those colours included with the kit. They also give us some designs that are mirror image of each other, so you can use that in lots of ways when you're card making. So just had some little books there. Then we've got the beautiful postage theme running through the ephemera as well. Now these are the chipboard stickers. These ones, when I get out the pack, are gorgeous as well, and there's lots of lovely sentiments. I'm just showing you there the actual patterned back of paper or cardboard in the packaging is going to be something that you should use in projects as well, because it's got that gorgeous colour to go with the kit. And you can see lots of lovely little icons, images and frames, along with sentiments that we can use. Really pretty. Then I've also got the puffy stickers, and I'm just wrestling mine out of the packaging, and you can see lovely gorgeous sentiments. We've got those beautiful dimensional foamy soft stickers there, and I particularly like those little dots being included. They're going to make lots of fun little embellishments. And the paper there again, or the backing sheet, beautiful. Now I have got the gemstones that go with the collection. These aren't available on the Spellbinders website, so you will need to hunt around for those to find them. I got these at the Rosie Studios shop. That's where I found those available. But everything prior to this you can get at the Spellbinders shop. Also, I found these gorgeous dimensional butterflies, which we have had in kits previously. And I'm just showing you there that double layered butterfly self stick, and we've got different colours and shapes and designs to go with the kit. So I'm so excited that Spellbinders has given us an option to be able to have a kit, and they've given us the option to add extra things in if we like, or to buy things a la carte and just buy the parts that you want. I plan to make cards with this gorgeous kit, and as soon as I have that ready, I'll upload and share it with you. But for now, it's bye bye, and I'll see you next time.